Before you do anything else, before you like this video, before you even get comfortable, I need you to hear three numbers: 140, 50, 689. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why those three numbers might completely change what you thought you knew about the next Insta360 camera. And trust me, the third one is going to spark an argument in the comments, because a leak just dropped that isn't some grainy spy photo or a rumor from an anonymous forum post. This is retail packaging, full bundle contents, side-by-side hardware comparisons. And if even half of what's shown here is accurate, the Insta360 X6 might be the biggest jump this brand has made in years. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place to be for every scrap of camera and gadget news before it's officially confirmed. So if that sounds like your thing, the subscribe button is right there, and it costs nothing. Here's what we're covering today. The box, what the leaked retail box confirms about naming and branding, identifying it as the Insta360 X6 as an 8K 360 degrees camera. Headline features, the three key specs printed right on the packaging. Essentials bundle, opening up the entire bundled kit to see what's included. Design showdown, head-to-head comparisons against its predecessor, X5, and a GoPro-style rival. The bombshells, the jaw-dropping 8K at 50 frames per second interface leak, and the expected pricing. Let's start with the packaging leak. The first image surfaces retail packaging identifying the product as the Insta360 X6. A company doesn't get retail packaging photographed and leaked online unless mass production is already underway, meaning this launch is close, possibly very close. The low light problem. Anyone who has shot with a 360 camera at night knows the pain of golden hour turning into a grainy, noisy mess due to tiny dual lens sensors struggling in the dark. The fix. The first call out on the box mentions a dedicated low light video mode, a direct attack on city night walks, campfire footage, indoor events, and concerts where 360 cameras traditionally fall apart. The second headline feature printed on the box is a massive battery claim, the 140-minute spec. The Insta360 X6 is capable of recording up to 140 minutes of continuous 8K video at 30 frames per second on a single charge. The comparison, for context, the current X5 tops out at roughly 93 minutes of 8K 30 recording, or 115 minutes in extended endurance mode. This gives you roughly 47 additional minutes of usable 8K footage compared to the standard X5 battery, completely eliminating battery anxiety on long hikes, boat trips, and festivals. The third headline feature on the packaging is Replaceable Lenses 2.0. Why it matters. Big, bulbous dual lenses are gorgeous for spherical capture, but incredibly exposed to drops, scratches, and scrapes against rocks. The upgrade. While previous models offered replaceable lenses, labeling this 2.0 suggests Insta360 has improved the system to make it more durable against everyday wear and faster/easier to swap out, saving creators real money in dusty or rocky environments. Flip the leaked box around, and the back panel breaks down the Essentials bundle. What's inside? A spare extreme condition battery, a selfie stick measuring roughly 114 centimeters, designed to disappear for floating drone-style shots, a charging case, a USB-C cable, a lens cap, a protective carrying pouch, a cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide. The extended warranty surprise. The packaging references an extended warranty as part of the bundle, a strong confidence signal from Insta360 regarding long-term reliability. Real-world comparison photos placing the X6 directly beside the current X5 reveal a surprising design direction. Shorter and more compact. Instead of chasing thinness like phone manufacturers, the body has been redesigned to be noticeably shorter and more compact overall, while keeping those large signature dual lenses fully intact. Daily portability. It feels easier to pocket, clip onto a bag strap, and carry around all day without sacrificing optical hardware quality. Placed next to a 360 camera build in a traditional tall, narrow, boxy GoPro-style body, the X6 looks meaningfully smaller and more compact in side-by-side shots. This proves Insta360 is prioritizing pocketability alongside raw specs this generation. Remember the number 50 from the start of the video? The interface leak, a live shot of the camera's display interface, shows a recording mode listed at 8K resolution running at 50 frames per second, something that has never existed before on an Insta360 device. Previous models topped out at 8K locked to 30 frames per second. Why it matters. Jumping to 50 frames per second at full 8K resolution unlocks smooth motion capture and clean slow motion playback without forcing creators to drop their resolution significantly. The leaked pricing. The standard Insta360 X6 could launch at approximately €689, with the full essentials bundle landing around €789, roughly a €100 increase over the X5's launch price. Is it worth it? When you line up a massive jump in continuous 8K recording time, a more compact body, a dedicated low-light mode, tough 2.0 replaceable lenses, and a first-ever 8K per 50 frames per second mode against a €100 increase, it shapes up to be incredible value rather than a cash grab. While still unconfirmed leaks, this is one of the most convincing pre-launch breakdowns we've seen. Drop your thoughts and comments. At that leak price point, are you upgrading day one? Or does that €100 jump feel like too much? Don't forget to hit subscribe so you get the official confirmation breakdown the moment it drops.